Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure? And we have given one figure. Firstly, a shape is said to have a rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself more than once during a full turn. That is rotating around 360 degree. And how many times it matches as we go once around is called its order. Hence here we can observe given figure has rotational symmetry 8. Hence given figure has a rotational symmetry of order 8.